Storyboarding. In this section, we're going to look at concepts like Lean UX and how you can rapidly design and prototype your application or requirement. This is a modern day approach to defining requirements visually using tools such as storyboarding within Visual Studio, Team Services, and Team Foundation Server to help describe a work item or requirement or use case that you are defining. Why storyboarding? In modern approaches such as Agile, Lean UX, so including the customer experience aspect, it's all about fast feedback from your users. How better to get feedback from your users, but to visualize what the application or solution may look like. So in this example, I'm going to show you how to storyboard out a requirement. Before I can start storyboarding, I'm going to need to create a requirement or a user story. So I'm just going to give a quick description for a simple requirement that we may have from the business. So I'm going to click create, and this new story, as you can see, has not yet been saved. The first thing I need to do is quickly save the story and commit it to the system. And then what will be available is the start storyboarding. What you'll see is that your browser will prompt you to say that it wants to launch PowerPoint. Once PowerPoint has launched, you need to navigate over to the storyboard ribbon. At this point, you'll notice that there's a whole stack of options. The storyboard shapes will help accelerate designing your application, whether that be a traditional web browser or it could be a mobile application. By just simply dragging and dropping, you're able to design what the look and feel of the application's like, including any flows, all editable in the top right hand corner. Once you're happy with your conceptual design, you can then save that design and then link that back to the story. In this case, you'll have to save your PowerPoint to a shared location. This could be something like SharePoint or OneDrive or even a network drive, something that's referenceable by TFS. So let me quickly go and do that. Okay, now that that's saved, you'll get prompted to ask if you'd like to link that storyboard with the work item, in this case number 5. So if I quickly click yes, what you'll see is under the storyboard links, it will now have linked that to the work item in question. Now if I navigate back and refresh this item, then what you'll see under the links is a link to this storyboard. If I launch that, what we will get is the design canvas that we have just previously launched. Hopefully that's given you a bit of an introduction to how to use storyboarding. For further information, I'd recommend the O'Reilly book on Lean UX, Applying Lean Principles to Improve User Experience. You'll find lots of useful information which will help you understand around customer development and lean startup, and also how you can bring these kind of UX methodologies to help you build better, faster software experiences. So the main 3 components that we covered in this section is storyboarding, the Lean UX principles, and also using Microsoft PowerPoint to create storyboards. The next video is going to cover working with Work Items Hub.